Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a possible reversal in the trend that I'm noticing. It's something we're going to have to watch over the next couple of weeks to actually make sure this is a reversal and not just a fake out. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And then I'm also going to talk about the year of 2021. So Palantir has scored at least 16 contracts in just the last 4 months. That is huge. So I'm going to talk a little bit around that later in the video, show you guys all the contracts that we've actually scored so far this year, just to have an overview of what has actually happened within the company. So before we do get into this video, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more Palantir content. So getting straight into it, I want to show you guys the trend that we've been on for a while. So as most of you guys know, back in late January here, we peaked out in the mid $40. So what happened after that, you can see that we went down to $30, bounced up to high 30s. We had a little bit of a double peak here and a lower high. After that, we harshly corrected down to about the mid 20s and then went back up to $30. This was a lower low, a lower high. And we continued that trend for quite a while. You can constantly see here lower highs, lower lows. And then here we had a huge wick that got bought up. And that's in the low $20 range where we've been primarily trading at since March. Now since that wick got bought up in the low 20s, we went on to make another lower high right here compared to this high. After that, we continued this downtrend and had a nice double bottom that I've talked about in my last videos. After that double bottom, we went on a 25% gain from here all the way to here. However, this was still a lower high than over here, so it wasn't a full reversal in the trend. After that though, you can see we went down to here. This was actually the first time in the last few months we had a higher low. You can see it was right around $21.50. This low was down at about $21. Not a huge difference, but still it's a lower high. And now since then, we are on an uptrend. Now this uptrend is going to be an important one. Over the next week or 2 weeks, we're going to see if this was actually a bottom in the trend and we're going to start a new bull run. I think that's very possible, but there's a lot of macro factors that are going to dictate this direction as well. But something to keep in mind, a possible change in the trend. Now since January, we've been obviously losing a lot of shareholder value. However, we've also fundamentally increased in value massively within Palantir. You see, Palantir has scored 16 contracts since the beginning of the year. However, we've been continuing to lose shareholder value. Now, if you're a long-term investor, this is a massive opportunity for you. You know that eventually the fundamentals are going to reflect in the actual share price. So this is inevitable. We will see a reversal in the trend at some point, and it's going to be an amazing buying opportunity since the fundamentals have been growing rapidly. And I think the reason why we've seen so many contracts in just the last few months is because Palantir is a recently publicly traded company. Now that Palantir is publicly traded, they are really focusing on the commercial side of their business, and they have scored really good deals in just a few months' time. Now, I think this trend is going to continue throughout the rest of the year, and that reversal in the trend is inevitable. It will come, and if you're not in the stock, you will likely be too late to the game to actually benefit from the initial share appreciation that we will see. It's going to happen quicker than you can actually react to. So in my opinion, right now is a great time to hold Palantir. We're trading at that low $20 range, what has shown really strong support. We have a higher low now, possible reversal in the trend. So anyways, guys, it's really important to watch this trend over the next few weeks to confirm this reversal. Anyways, guys, if you got any value out of this video, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more Palantir updates. I do cover this stock almost every day of the week. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching until the end of the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.